Hi, my name's Earl, and I'm finishing this walnut epoxy table. Around the edges, I have a chamfer that I cut with my router, and I want to keep this nice and crisp edge, but I need for it to be nice and smooth, just like the top. And I'll also do the sides here. Starting with 80 grit sandpaper, carefully go along the edge and sand this down to get out all the tool marks that the router made. And then I start with 80 grit, and then I'll go to a 120 grit. Trying to be careful to keep that edge nice and crisp. And then I'll go to 220 grit, and each time it gets a little bit smoother. Again, taking care to keep the edge nice and crisp and smooth. It is done by hand, so there can be some variance. Nobody's perfect, but I try to keep it as nice as I can to get a nice smooth edge. Now I'll follow up on this again with at least 320 grit to get it smooth, and perhaps even go to 400 grit.